they clubbing, they chilling, they.
So, Gloria, tell me, how are you and Uncle Larry getting on?
Emily, the man is rich. You know, he's an attorney in the States. I must train him before he leaves.
Hey, look, you've got to get hooked to this man. Get hooked to him like a hookworm.
But Emily, you have to take me back to that man. Nana, please. Please.
By you, Gloria, you've not been fair to me.
Why?
You've not been fair to me. At least, let me also enjoy the booty you've been enjoying from Uncle Larry.
You know what? What I am enjoying now is peanuts. Wait and let me hit the jackpot. And we'll enjoy it together.
Sure.
Come on.
Okay. You know something? He doesn't work on Thursdays. So, I'll take you there on Friday.
Yeah.
Okay?
That's okay.
I'll take you there on Friday.
It's a deal.
Yeah, it's a deal. Friday. We are going on Friday.
Hey guys, Sonny,
Jimmy.
that's fine. Charlie, did you take a close look at her?
Charlie, I did. I mean, she's beautiful. In fact, she's fantastic, bombastic. In fact, she's wonderful. Oh, Charlie, who is she?
Yeah, she's my woman's daughter.
That is great. You know, Charlie, give me back pass so I give her attacking from behind.
Red card. Nonsense. Look, are you crazy? You mad clat. What do you expect? Look, I want to date her myself. What?
No, wait a minute. What about her mother?
Listen, I'm no more interested in her mom. I need a fresh, fresh anointing.
Hey, Jimmy, let's get. Don't be a rascal. Jimmy, me always tell you to stop this pimping business. Let's get. You have to weigh the pros and cons of what one want to do. Look, Jimmy, let me be frank with you here. You are being greedy, and you will pay dearly for it. What are you intend to do?
No.
You go ahead and
No. What is your problem? Huh? What is your problem? If he can handle it maturely, there wouldn't be no problem.
That's it.
Eh? Now tell me, weren't I dating two sisters? And did I have any problem?
Lie.
My friend, the guy is doing good and he needs a push. That's all.
Thank you.
There you go again.
I'm with you.
Hey, Anas, you sometimes make you just understand it. Whether when your mom are born, or no hit the ground or something, you never got anything sensible.
I don't know. I be mad glad.
Mad glad.
Oh, hello, Bernice. Welcome.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. Oh, don't worry about that. Sit down.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Looking good.
Thank you.
So, what do you care for?
Anything, whatever you have, anything available.
Well, let the young man speak for himself. Huh?
Say anything is
Hello, secretary. Please get us 2 glasses of fruit juice, okay? Thank you. Oh, so, what brings you here?
Honorable, I hope you remember my cousin. I've introduced him to you before. He's Sonny.
Yes. Your cousin from the village.
Yeah.
How are you, my dear son?
I'm fine, sir.
In fact, I wanted to get something for you, but I think I left it in the house. So, yeah.
Honorable, he needs your help.
What sort of help are we talking about here?
He's a musician and he needs a producer. He has done the demo.
Oh. Musician? That sounds very interesting. So, have you any showbiz name?
Yes, sir. I am Sonny Achiba.
Sonny Achiba?
Yes, sir.
That's a good one. Sounds very commercial. And what type of music do you play?
Sir, I played hip life, high life, and hip dia.
Hip life, high life, hip dia.
Yes, sir.
What is hip dia?
It's a combination of hip life, high life, and Indian style.
Oh. Goodness. This your cousin sounds very interesting. I mean, you're trying to create something new, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Have you heard of this producer, a German producer called Roberto, and he has Hits Production?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I've heard of him. Hit Digital, yes, sir.
Hit Digital Production.
Yes, sir.
In fact, he has helped a lot of young boys and he's gotten them right to the top. He's my friend, and I think I'll speak to him. So we'll see what he can do about you, all right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Honorable, do you think you would sign him on?
Oh, why not? Why not? If only the music sounds good. He will. He's done it for other people. So why not? He will. Have you got your demo?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's see. Oh, good. Sonny Achiba. Hip dia. That sounds good. What I'll do is I'll get him to listen to your demo, and we'll see what we can do from there. Just keep your fingers crossed, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Pray hard. I like the idea that you're coming up with. Who knows? You might become a star in the future. And you said he's your cousin, eh?
Yes.
And we can all bask ourselves in that laurel. Beautiful.
Honorable, thank you.
Cheers, cheers. So that's all, eh?
Yes.
I'll see you later. And always be a good boy, okay? That's what you need to be.
Yes, sir.
All right then, buddies. Thanks for calling.
Bernice. Yeah.
Uncle Larry, you promised me some money.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll give you the money. Okay. Bernice, I got information that you're spending virtually all the money I give you on a man. You're actually sponsoring the man.
Uncle, me? I'm not sponsoring any man. No, it's not true.
Look, but I heard that you have a boyfriend whose name is Kwame, who is a musician, that you spend everything I give you on him.
Uncle, some of my friends have been talking to you. I hope it's not Gloria.
About this Gloria, is she a good girl?
Uncle, are you going out with her?
Yeah. You see, come. It's like Gloria is somebody.
The roots too. I'm also agitating for vegetarianism. The roots. Yeah, the roots. Side. See, this is come on. Think before you eat. Go vegetarian for life. Yes, the roots. The roots. Okay. I'm also agitating for vegetarian. Hey, you guys! Guess what? Woo!
Achieva, why are you so happy like this?
Charlie, I must be happy because I'm going to make it big and large. Achiever, I hope Ono naga talk about music. If Ono better listen to my advice. Just strip down Bombay and go and do no bombo clat music there. Or just deep on this country and do them a gospel song. Alright? Look, today mark the turning point in my music career.
Why, have you struck a record deal?
Oh God, thank you for what you have done for me today, Sonny. I'm going to make it big.
I'm saying, have you struck a record deal? Huh? Will you stop keeping us in suspense and tell us what it's about? What has happened? Huh?
Look, guys. Bernice took me to see Honorable Johnson. And he has agreed to introduce me to big-time record label. And that's Hit Digital Production, Mr. Roberto. And he has taken my demo. I'm happy.
So, is this the turning point you are talking about?
And hey, Achiever, and what if him refuses to sound? And that bombo clat man them call Honorable Johnson. Me know him. I'm always running after ladies with the bumper backy like Bernice. How no I go know that him would do with Bernice? That will be Bernice's problem. At the moment, I'm not interested in that. Watch. All that I need to know now is to get my music done. I'm using her to do my music. Perfect. After I become successful, game close, and forget about that.
Wonderful. Then that is a really good business.
Sure.
You get it?
Sure. Strictly business. I'm a businessman, you know. It's going to happen. Life.
You get sense. You
Okay.
know? You get sense.
Achiever, I'm sorry for it. I'm sorry for it.
Charlie is good.
What sort of question is that?
Huh? What's going on between you and my uncle?
Has your uncle told you there's something going on between him and me?
Bernice, has your uncle whispered something to you?
Yes, he has. And what did he say? He asked me if Gloria is a good girl.
So?
Your uncle might be interested in her. It doesn't mean there's something going on between them.
Gloria, I've told you, if my uncle would have to date any woman in Ghana, it will not be you.
Listen, you sound funny. What about if your uncle becomes so obsessed with me and there's nothing I can do about it?
That can never be possible.
Okay, never. Hey!
Look at her. Bennett, talking to Gloria like a kid. Leave her.
I'm surprised. She has amazed me. Bernice. Oh.
Amazing, buddies.
Oh, God.
Your uncle is my uncle there. Nonsense. By the time I'm through with you and your uncle, hey.
Rolling.
Tell me, does your father still suspect you come here?
No, he was informed by my mother.
Are you sure?
Yes. Pick my dress for me, I'm tired.
Look, I don't believe it. I suspect... Your dad said he personally saw us. Have you forgotten?
Jimmy, you did believe him? Don't forget my father is a politician. He sometimes uses politics on my mother. Help me.
No. I'm wearing the back. Wait. Let me...
You've changed
Is it the back?
Oh, look at you.
something important to discuss with you. Why? Oh, you have a woman inside in there. Relax. I don't expect you not to have a girlfriend. You can introduce me to her as your auntie.
It's not my girlfriend. My mom. Yes, she just visited. Would you like to meet her?
No.
Let me introduce you.
No, not yet.
Why? Let's.
It's alright. So, come right over. I'll be waiting for you in the car, okay?
Really?
Yeah.
Why does he let me see her?
Yen to Boisier, Tidia Wuya Biana Botre, Okosajifa would me penny chair, Adia will be done a show will be a bre. So be Nima will be tray, Fesajina Midi Sebia one emre, the Jai said, Walk remember to pray, and I was a comic of your Honaya. You cannot want our panty, the other so would Jahon she and our share say, so who you not going to bet your cratchy, Baba so cram my whoa, someone near.
Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time. So beware.